My dad has always been there. I'm not sure if a lot of people can say this because I think being a girl, not a lot of parents support running their own business, and not a lot of parents support where a child is, living their dream or want to go behind the back.
So, whom do you want to give a tribute to, or
Mhm.
what you want to say about your journey?
Right. So I think like baking business or any other business comes with a lot of responsibility. Not only as a small entrepreneur you understand कि आपको सिर्फ किचन का एरिया नहीं चलाना है, आपको मार्केटिंग भी करनी है, ठीक है, आपको बाकी भागम दौड़ी भी करनी है, हाँ, आपको मेक श्योर करना है कि एट टाइम्स यू आर बाय ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू हैव टू wash all the clothes,
Vessels,
yeah,
yeah.
and require things. But I think my dad has always been there. I'm not sure if a lot of people can say this because I think being a girl, not a lot of parents support running their own business, and not a lot of parents support where a child is, living their dream or want to go behind the back. So I think that's why I'm very privileged and it means that my dad is always there. You see every event everywhere. I think he's promoting
Yes,
my
we
business,
have seen that.
right? My
So,
business more than I am. He's going to places. He's just there. You'll probably see it. So I think he's probably what 60 plus, but he has never felt, or never made me felt that you don't make me do this. I'm tired or stuff like that. You wake him up at 3 a.m. He's like, "कहाँ जाना है? चलते हैं. You need a help? Chocolate wrap करना है? ठीक है, करते हैं." So I think I would call him the backbone of hotcakes if that's what it is. And I think it's super lucky to have a single parent or both parents actually who invest that much of time and effort in your business and they're not getting anything from it. It's not that they're getting a lot of money out of it or anything like that. It's just that they're doing out of pure love, which I think is great and I think I really look forward to it. Yeah.
so
है टोक है नोक है जोक